नमस्कार, सत श्री अकाल, आदाब। हारमोनी टीवी में आपका स्वागत है। आज शनिवार की तरह इस बार फिर हम आपके लिए इंफॉर्मेशन और एंटरटेनमेंट लेके आए हैं। जैसे आपको पता है, कनाडा इज़ मल्टी कल्चर कंट्री। सो सभी कल्चर, सभी धर्मों का हारमोनी टीवी में स्वागत है। आज हारमोनी स्टूडियो में बड़ा ब्यूटीफुल चाइल्ड मुस्कान जीवा अपनी मॉम रेशमा जीवा के साथ आए हैं। और मुस्कान 6 साल की बच्ची अपना नाम बना रही है सिंगिंग में, प्रोफेशनल सिंगिंग में। और जैसे ही इनकी मॉम ने बताया, रेशमा जी ने, कि 3 साल से ये सिंगिंग कर रही है और इसके माता पिता मुस्कान के बड़ी एफ़र्ट्स कर रहे हैं। ऐसी एक मैसेज हम देना चाहते हैं कम्युनिटी में कि माँ बाप अपने बच्चों को कैसे अपब्रिंग करें और कैसे इस कॉम्पिटिटिव वर्ल्ड का सामना करना सिखाएं। मुस्कान, वेलकम टू द शो।
Thank you, Mr. Sharma, for let, letting me on on the show for Harmony TV.
So Muskan, you're so small a child. When did you felt like singing and taking it as a profession a long way?
I started my music class when I was 2.5,
Uh-huh.
and it also with the vocals.
Okay. So your parents are putting a lot of efforts to see you as a great singer?
Yes.
Oh, that's cool. So what you want to be in coming 10 years?
I want to be a paleontologist when I grow up, and also on the way performance day, I will let other kid take place as the famous, and I would be someone else like that.
That's cool. रेशमा जी, आप इतनी मेहनत कर रहे हैं बच्चे की अपब्रिंगिंग में। आपको ये सपना कैसे सुझोया है कि इसको प्रोफेशनल सिंगर बनाना है?
उसमें ये टैलेंट है सिंगिंग का म्यूज़िक इट्स जस्ट गिफ्टेड एंड हमने जब देखा उसको तो वी थॉट कि विल पुट अ लिटिल बिट मोर एफर्ट एंड व्हाटएवर शी हैज़ ऑलरेडी that will really help her boost her spirit and इसलिए हमने उसकी म्यूज़िक क्लास शुरू की as मुस्कान said when she was 2.5 years old एंड अभी रिसेंटली हमने उसकी सिंगिंग क्लास वोकल्स शुरू किया है सो आई होप मुस्कान टू बी अ रियली शाइनिंग स्टार्स इन कपल ऑफ इयर्स टू कम
ओके, आप हमें ये बताएं हमारे ऑडियंस को कि 6 साल की उम्र में आज तक मुस्कान कहाँ कहाँ परफॉर्म कर चुकी है?
मुस्कान मोस्टली जब उन्होंने शुरू किया था व्हेन शी वाज 3 उन्होंने हमारी कम्युनिटी में हमारी मॉस्क में डिवोशनल सॉन्ग्स शुरू किया बिकॉज आई एम टू मच इनटू डिवोशनल सॉन्ग्स सो I started with her and then उसके बाद अब recently legislature ground में उन्होंने perform किया था for the World Partnership Walk और जब इंडिया डे था 15th of August she performed at Alan Gray for seniors and yeah she also performed at her school so yeah a couple of other places too but those are the main places that she has performed so far.
तो मुस्कान क्या बॉलीवुड गाने भी गाती हैं?
जी हाँ हमने उसको बॉलीवुड व्हेन शी वाज 4 हमने तब उसको इंट्रोड्यूस किया था all this time she was in Hollywood and stuff but when she was 4 हमने इंट्रोड्यूस किया बॉलीवुड म्यूजिक and she really got attached though it's a foreign concept for her but फिर भी उन्होंने बहुत अच्छी तरह से उसका जो लिरिक्स है उसका प्रोनाउंसिएशंस बहुत अच्छी तरह से पिकअप किया and she's a very fast learner so she's really interested into Bollywood music yes.
Okay, Muskan, could you sing a beautiful Bollywood song for us?
Yes, sure.
Please go ahead.
जिया जाए ना जाए ना जाए ना ओरे पिया रे जिया जाए ना जाए ना जाए ना ओरे पिया रे।
आप दोनों हस्बैंड वाइफ इतनी मेहनत कर रहे हैं बच्चे को अपब्रिंग करने के लिए। आप जैसे काफ़ी पेरेंट्स हैं कनाडा में, ऑल ओवर कनाडा, उनके लिए आपका क्या संदेश है?
सभी पेरेंट्स के लिए यही है कि हाउएवर द लाइफ डिफ़िकल्ट है आपको फिर भी टाइम निकालना ट्राई करो प्लीज़ कि अपने बच्चे के लिए आप टाइम फर्स्ट निकालो एंड उसकी जो टैलेंट है हर बच्चे में कोई ना कोई गिफ्ट है तो उस टैलेंट को आप आगे करो स्टेप फॉरवर्ड डोंट गो बैकवर्ड्स गो फॉरवर्ड बूस्ट करो अपने चाइल्ड को or you will see the child holding your hand, and you guys will go very much forward, just like what Muskan did for us. So, and probably Muskan has a message too
Yeah.
for.
Muskan, what would you like to tell to your friends on TV?
All the message to the youths. Those of you who have a singing talent have to take a step forward to your next level, and the next practice you have, try hard and just believe in yourself. And so everyone, including you all, have to remember this.
Thank you, Muskan. Thank you, Reshma.
Thank you for having us on the show, and we really appreciate Harmony TV for inviting us and bringing Muskan's talent up. And I really, really appreciate both my husband and I, and Muskan really appreciate all of you for giving us this chance. Thank you so much.
Cause you're my heart and you're my soul. If you're not here, I'm all alone. Oh, baby, you live in me, and I know this right. मेरी आशिकी अब तुम ही हो, क्योंकि तुम ही हो, अब तुम ही हो जिंदगी, अब तुम ही हो। ओ ओ ओ चैन भी, मेरा दर्द भी, मेरी आशिकी अब तुम ही हो, क्योंकि तुम ही हो, अब तुम ही हो जिंदगी, अब तुम ही हो।
चैन भी, मेरा दर्द भी,
मेरी आशिकी अब तुम ही हो।
Enjoy luxury living at Royal Oaks by Cancom Developments. Location and complete satisfaction draw our clients to Royal Oaks.
We offer fully serviced lots in a broad variety of sizes. Build your dream with us.
We are 5 minutes south of Edmonton and 10 minutes from the International Airport. Let your lifetime investment be Royal Oaks.
आज कुछ अलग खाने का मन कर रहा है, ऐसा खाना जो इंडिया की याद दिला दे। Let's go to Shah Palace. Yes, Shah Palace is famous for its exotic Hyderabadi dishes, Mughlai khana, veg and non-veg, and of course, Shahi desserts.
Shaw Palace, 9360 93 Street, Northwest Edmonton.
Remax Excellence in Edmonton has opened their new office and thrown open to family and friends today. We have a great celebration happening now at their facility. Right now with us is Lily Parrick, who is mortgage specialist and part of Remax Excellence. Lily, your message to the communities.
Well, thank you. We have this grand opening today, which is just for family and friends. This is a great office to be in. It's in a great location, accessible to everybody. And basically, if anyone needs any help with mortgages, I'm only one call away.
Remax Excellence has opened their new premises today, and they have gathered their friends and families for celebration. We have Ayaz Banzi, broker and owner of Remax Excellence, along with his partner and associate broker, Sam Narayan. And they are with us to convey their message to communities and what they have over here at the new premises. Ayaz, what is your message to the communities?
Well, our message is welcome to RE/MAX Excellence. As you can see, there's a lot of excitement here today. We're very fortunate to have moved into our brand new office. This is 14,000 square feet. We have over 102 agents here at RE/MAX Excellence. We do residential, commercial, and property management here, and in the growing area of the West End here in Edmonton. And as you know, Edmonton is booming, and it's open for business, and so are we. So, thank you.
So Sam is also with you. So what is on table, Sam, from your side?
Thank you, Yash. Thanks for joining us today. We are very happy and very proud to be in this new office. Like Ayaz said, our mission in this is to have a one-stop shop for our clients, for our customers, and for our staff, for a place to come in and do a lot of business. Please come. We're in the Hamptons, located just off Anthony Henday. You'd be able to see our sign just off Anthony Henday. Please come and join us.
Hi, I'm Lily Perrick, mortgage specialist with Dominion Lending Centres Capital Region, the largest mortgage brokerage company in Canada. With over 100 lenders to choose from, I can offer you the best mortgage product at the lowest interest rate. With over 19 years experience, I know this business inside and out. A mortgage broker costs you nothing, but not using one can cost you tens of thousands of dollars. If you're looking to buy, refinance, invest, if you're employed or self-employed, I can help you. So don't hesitate to give me a call for any mortgage advice.
At Maple Dental Clinic, we strive to create a comfortable environment for our patients. We work evening and weekend hours for your convenience. We do Invisalign braces, digital x-rays using modern state-of-the-art equipment. We direct bill insurances. Our staff speak English, Punjabi, Hindi, and Urdu.
Good afternoon, Maple Dental Clinic. How may I help you?
We are here to spread a smile, so please call us at 780-440-5001 to book an appointment today.
Hi, I'm Navjeen Kabarwal from Optimum Immigration. I'm a licensed immigration consultant. If you have any questions related to any immigration or sponsorship or work permits, you can call me at 780-399-5127, 780-490-6090, 780-468-3331. You can also email me at navjeen@optimumgroup.info.
At Beyond Vision, we are dedicated to providing you with efficient, professional, and personalized care. Our office is equipped with state-of-the-art technology to better serve all your eye care needs. Your eye care is our #1 priority. Visit us for your routine eye exams, frames, and lenses. Beyond Vision.
Looking for high-quality, fully customizable windows and doors for your next project? Come visit Durabuilt Windows and Doors, where it's all about you. We value service, style, and innovation, and we'll work closely with you to help your vision come to life. With 2 convenient locations in Edmonton, our team will ensure your new windows and doors encourage friends and neighbors to take notice. Visit a design gallery today or schedule an in-home consultation. Call us at 1-800-544-3815 or visit our website at durabuiltwindows.com.
Wondering what's happening in Western Canada? We are presenting Cultural Tadka in Hindi, Punjabi, and English. We are coming every Saturday with news, views, entertainment, and community coverage. Don't forget to watch us every Saturday morning. Harmony TV, celebrating togetherness.
ਹਾਰਮਨੀ ਟੀਵੀ ਸ਼ੋਅ ਦੇਖਣ ਲਈ ਬਹੁਤ-ਬਹੁਤ ਧੰਨਵਾਦ। ਤੁਹਾਡਾ ਹੁੰਗਾਰਾ, ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਸੁਜੈਸ਼ਨ ਹਮੇਸ਼ਾ ਹੀ ਵੈਲਕਮ ਹੈ। ਅਗਰ ਅੱਜ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਸਾਡਾ ਸ਼ੋਅ ਨਹੀਂ ਦੇਖ ਸਕੇ, ਤੁਸੀਂ ਸਾਡੀ ਵੈਬਸਾਈਟ ਤੇ ਜਾ ਸਕਦੇ ਹੋ www.harmonytv.ca ਔਰ ਹਮੇਸ਼ਾ ਹੀ ਸਾਨੂੰ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਸੁਝਾਵਾਂ ਦੇ ਇੰਤਜ਼ਾਰ ਰਹੇਗੀ। ਲਓ ਹੁਣ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਲਈ ਪੇਸ਼ ਹੈ Song of the Week।